Hello and welcome back to InStream Trades, and we're gonna have a quick look at Bitcoin chart and understand what about to happen and what should we expect from it. First of all, what I want to show you is this indicator which is called the beam bands, and you have the upper band and also you have the lower band. And the thing that I want to state here is every time when the price touches this line, the bottom band will go below it. Historically, was the best time to accumulate Bitcoin and enter the long-term holding portfolio. So potentially that's a great zone. And to prove that, let's go ahead and in the history and review several touch points. Like here was the one, then you would scroll and there's another one. And also the best chance to close the trade was the upper band whenever the price touched the upper band. And if you'll scroll into the history, you will see a lot of points like this. Um, Over here, then another one was over here, and actually there was a little one over here. Scroll back, and there was a couple more times here. Actually, the price went below this band. So, first of all, that you have to remember, have to understand. Now, this is a very good chance, according to the history of a Bitcoin and the behavioral patterns that it had. This is a good time to accumulate. Okay, now let's also try to confirm some of our statements by the other indicators. Are there any other confirmations? First, let's go ahead and review some of these zones. Number one, this area is the previous bull market all-time high, and you can see that it touched the top border of this, the top channel, right? And here I got it marked for you. No wonder why the Bitcoin price bounced from it. By the way, we're on 1 week time frame. And I also marked it as a zone because there was some tension here and here, so I marked it as another zone. And then there's another line that I marked here because it had so many rejections in the previous peak over here. See how it was working as a support for 3 weeks, and then it fell below it. Then it had a rejection from it here. So this area is also supposed to be a very strong area. That's why I have it marked for you. And I have some other lines. And what are those? Let's take the Fibonacci retracement, go from swing low into the swing high of all the structure. And what you will see, I have this line marked for you, which is 0.5 or 50% retracement. And also the golden pocket. Why I do have it marked for you? Because we know that the price loves to retrace on those areas. And if there will be a continuation of the fall and the price will go low, which absolutely can happen, then the most probable target will be this one. And if it'll go lower, then there will be some tension here and definitely golden pocket here. Are there any other indicators? And for that, let's use the Fibonacci extension tool to predict the possible wave C, because if we think that this is a correction, then it has the ABC pattern, A, B, and C. And what is the most probable extension level for the C? The most probable extension level for the C is 1.618. That's why I have pointed it out already in some of my previous videos that that point was the perfect spot for the wave C to land. That's why I told you so many videos ahead that over here a lot of people had their limit orders. A lot of investors and institutional traders, they had their limit orders placed here in order to go long, and that's why it had that strong rejection and the price just moved out of it. Will it go lower? Absolutely it can, and the next potential target for it will be 2, and 2 is over here, so the price can actually go that low. And notice again how it aligns with this area I have marked for you with this line. But also we can view this one as an ABC, right? It's a smaller ABC and the bigger ABC. A, B, C. Let's actually go ahead and make it another color and make it smaller. And I will also include the wave. So what is the potential target for this C? And let's do the same thing over here and the projection. And I will make it a little bit more to the right side so you can see. And what we are looking now is the areas where we have so many lines coming close together. And what do you see? Over here, the most probable target is 1, and it already hit it and went even lower. So the next one is 1.618, which is here. And notice that this line is here, and also the 2 projection for this C is over here. So we have so much tension in this area that I should have it marked as the potential target area if the price will go that low. So if you are trading short, if you're looking for the short opportunities, and if you think that this is a good short opportunity for you, then I'm saying that the most probable area, if it'll go lower, will be somewhere here. And if you take a short trade, that's like a 30% gain without any leverage. Am I doing that trade? Am I going into that trade? Uh, Actually, I'm not shorting the market, but on Ethereum, as far as you remember in the last video, I told you that I had the take profit target hit, and I still have some Ethereum on my hodlers portfolio. I can actually open the hedge position, but it's not going to be the topic of this video. So if you want to hear me talking about the hedging, how do I hedge the market if the trade goes in the opposite direction, how I do it in order to minimize my losses. Go ahead and write down in the comment if you want me to talk about it. And don't forget to hit the like button right now and say that you like and appreciate this kind of content. Drop down the comment, subscribe, and the most important thing, have a safe and profitable trading. Talk to you later. Bye bye.